welcome back to my channel. So today I'm excited. I've had this beauty box for weeks and I haven't opened it yet. I haven't even peeked inside of it yet because I'm doing an unboxing video. It's by the company SkinStar and I think it's a Korean beauty brand. This box is extremely heavy. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like this. Has like a ribbon outside of it. So I got that a few weeks ago, and then today I actually received another one. So I don't know if it was by accident or what, but thank you so much, SkinStar. I'm so excited to try these products. I'm not going to be trying them on my skin right now because obviously I'm wearing makeup and I'm not in my bathroom and I don't really have a way to film in my bathroom. I am a licensed esthetician. So I went to school for skincare and I do own a small business doing facials and full body waxing. I will have my Instagram links down below if you guys are interested in following it. Let's get into it. This is going to be a completely first impressions video because obviously I haven't opened these boxes yet and I haven't used the products. So I'll show you guys the one I got first. Opening the boxes, they do look like they're different products. Also, I want to mention SkinStar did send these to me for free. They're not paying me for this video. It's not a sponsored video, but they did send me the products for free. So it says Be Beautiful with SkinStar on the box. It sounds like there's glass in there, so I'm going to be really careful opening it up. This is how it looks. It says SkinStar recommends items that are essential to your skin every month. So it's a prescription box. It's a subscription kind of like program deal. We provide products that all skin can use safely with high quality and hypoallergenic ingredients. I also want to mention that on their site it said that they used vegetable-based ingredients. It says we research for effective ingredients, oppose animal experiments, and only care for skin health. So this is what it looks like. It's really heavy, guys. So let me just open the products and show you what I got. Now, obviously being a licensed esthetician, I geek out over skincare products. I absolutely love skincare. So this is SkinStar of North America Hot Summer, I think is the collection. Nourishes the skin to prepare for the hot summer sun. So I think this is what it includes in this box. So this is what you get. It's in a little baggie. Whew, it smells so good. Like, it already smells really good. Oh, you guys, these are glass. This is glass packaging and I'm so excited. Do you hear that? That's glass. I love glass packaging. I don't know about you guys, but I just feel like it's nicer. It says Pure Heals by Nature Village. This is what it looks like. This is a softening toner. I love toners. They're great to use. I think everyone should use a toner. You should use it before applying your moisturizer because it's really going to help with product absorption. Okay, and then this other one is it's an ampule. So let me look at the paper that it gave me. I put it all the way over here. So this is a Propolis softening toner. It's a toner that creates a beautiful skin with propolis ingredients and reducing dead skin cells. The Pure Heals, it's a hypoallergenic ampule containing 90% of centella extract for sensitive skin. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. This here is a tea tree cleansing water. The tea tree cleansing water, no wash type cleansing water containing tea tree that is good for skin soothing. Let me show you how the bottle looks. Also, the toner smells so good. Ugh. Yeah, you can definitely tell that these are plant-based products and that they don't have like any harsh chemicals in them. So this is an ampule. It has centella. It's a hypoallergenic ampule containing 90% of centella extract for sensitive skin. Yeah, it smells really nice. And then this is the Pure Tea Tree Cleansing Water, which is good for skin soothing. And it's a no wash type cleansing water. So I haven't ever tried anything like this before. So that's exciting. That's actually in a plastic bottle. Then here we have a pH 5.5 Vita Peeling Gel. It has niacinamide and PHA. I don't know how that one smells yet, but this is how it looks. So this is going to help with removing dead skin cells. It says healthy peeling gel that removes dead skin cells and protects skin. And this is vegan. This one's vegan, which is cool. Next in this box we have the Centella 80 Eye Cream. And this is has 80% of the Centella extract to firmly care for eyes that have lost elasticity, which I need because I'm 28 and I'm starting to get wrinkles, which who wants wrinkles? Like, let's be real. And then this looks exciting. Ooh, a real Centella leaf sleeping mask. So this is going to contain originals of Centella leaves, soothing and moisturizing tired skin during the night, which I definitely need because my skin gets very dry. This is how it looks. It's like a gel. Oh, goodness. I wish you guys could smell this. Yeah, I really, really, really love the scent of these products. I love like really subtle natural scents, and you can tell when products, like I said, when products are derived from natural ingredients. This product is the Tea Tree Foam Cleanser. It says that it can help with thick makeup, and it'll also exfoliate dead skin cells and sebum. Then we have Blackhead Remover Nose Mask. Personally, I don't get a lot of blackheads. I'm starting to now, but not like a lot. I'll probably try this on my boyfriend because he gets gnarly ones. So that's that box. I got some amazing products. You can tell that the packaging of the products is really high quality. Not all of them are glass, but you can just tell like the quality is amazing. Let's get into the next box, which I'm so excited. I got 2 boxes. Like, I wasn't expecting a second box. I was like kind of shocked when I got it. This is the one that I got today. This is the After Vacation Skincare. I think some of these are the same products, so I'm sure my mom will be happy about that. So first we have a V10 Peeling Pad. It's a vitamin peeling pad. It's gonna help with rough and dull skin and to smooth and clean by wiping it. I think I read that properly. So it looks like this. I'm just gonna peel it open really quick to see. Ooh, ooh. Is there vitamin C in that? I don't know. Oh, it has Centella leaf extract. It just says with a blend of vitamin and Centella, but it's gonna be brightening for your skin. So maybe it does have vitamin C in it. The next thing is another Tea Tree Foam Cleanser. Oh my God, I'm excited for this one. This is a Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask, and I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love rose, like rose scent, rose flavor. I think the other mask may have come with a little scoop. Normally masks will come with this. Oh my God, you guys, this is so beautiful. Like, even just looking at it, there's real rose petals in there. Oh. It smells so good. I love rose. I'm so excited about that one. That's probably so far my favorite product I pulled out. I can't wait to use it. Okay, next we have another Centella 80 Eye Cream. Next we have a Bulgarian Rose Cream. Has rose flower water in it. Where's my little, here we go, my little cheat sheet. You would use it after toner, and it's gonna provide instant moisture and nourishment to dehydrated and lackluster skin, or lackluster, wow, lackluster skin. So my skin definitely needs that. My skin has been so dull and dry, and I love the smell of rose, so I'm gonna go ahead and smell this one. It's very, 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 very subtle. You can barely smell it, but I kind of like that. It's not, you can tell there's like no artificial fragrance in there. The next thing is another peeling gel. And then we have the Centella Ampule again. This one actually came in a box that time because it wasn't like one of the featured products. And then this has like little tweezers. What's this? Oh, it's a Centella 65 green tea pack. So it's probably like little pads like this. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, ooh. Oh my God. You guys, I can honestly say I've never been so excited for a skincare. Maybe I didn't go with that. I don't know what this went to, but this was in there. It looks like little tweezers. It comes with one of these, a little scoop. And the green tea pack it's a calming wash-off mask for skin irritated by fine dust. My house gets so dusty. I live in a log cabin, so it gets really dusty in here. Alright, so that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to SkinStar for sending me these amazing products. I'm really excited to try them. I'm going to start using them tonight. I can't wait. I will have the link for SkinStar down below. If you guys have any questions about the products, feel free to leave a comment down below and ask. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.